Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm Josh Gibbons and today is another update video on my Amazon FBA journey. So thanks for the insane, interaction on my last update video. It is honestly amazing to see all the new faces on my channel, so thank you very much for that. All my recent subs, anyone who commented, that really means a lot to me, so thank you for that. So where am I in my Amazon FBA process? I'm currently, I did the math, 80% saved up. So just to remind you, I wanted to save up £2,000. I think I've been talking to Johnny Bradley. His course is in the description if you want to learn FBA. Some other sellers, so Tanner J. Fox, and all these videos that give you pricing, and 2,000, I reckon, is the optimum start amount. So if you have that much, brilliant, let's get going, okay? But obviously I'm only 80% there, which for those of you mathematicians is wow, I don't know why I just did that. It is 1.6 thousand, which is incredible for me to have that amount at the moment. So I'm sure you can see how much doing a business model is going to mean to me when hopefully Amazon starts paying me monthly this, because this is pretty much my life savings. I would have had more, but obviously I took Johnny Bradley's course, but without it, I would have lost all of my money anyway. So now I'm at 80%. I'm thinking about researching it more. So when I get to 1,800, which is 90%, good mathematician, I'm gonna research and go over the process and Johnny Bradley's course again. His course is in the description once again. So just want to end this video off. It's a quick video again, but I love doing these update videos. I want to take you along with my journey every step of the way. I'm just super excited to start and getting my whole entrepreneurship journey started is just gonna be so incredible, and to share with you guys, I'm just super happy. So thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video, which will likely be more entrepreneurship, lifestyle videos and more. So I'll catch you there.